Hi everybody, Dushyant this side. I am founder of ArcTop Labs, a data technology company. We try to build a data technology company that trim down the cost of building a data solution for any application or IoT devices. Today I want to show you my small office. This thing. So this is my small space, a small startup space which we try to show you guys. This is my colleague desk where he and me both we are trying to build the data technology company. Apart from that, this is my achievement board, our company achievement board, all the things which we have achieved for past 1 years. So the very first thing which I want to show you is that the first PO which we got is on 8th May 2017, which is very auspicious day for us. And apart from that, the second thing where our company get recognized by the Indian startup from the government of India, and this is on the special days on 15 August, Indian Independence Day. Apart from that, all other achievement boards are blank because we think that we have to achieve lot more thing in the coming years. And you can see our board where we do all kind of discussions and thinking of building the data technology company. Finally, this is my space where I do lots of coding, lots of R&D, and lots of building a small application on top of data technology. This is my old desktop where I do lots of R&D work, like setting up a small application on our data technology. Apart from that, using this old PC, there are two more PC are there to build the right architecture for our application. This is my MacBook, which I like most and prefer from the Windows operating system because it's had a Linux flavor and give me more and more access while I set up different servers on different Linux platform. Apart from that, you can see the different figures which I have posted there on the wall, which is behind, and also there is my small photos you can see here. These are the small files like Elon Musk, Jack Ma, and you can see Jeff Bezos and Henry Ford and other person, and from the Indian continent you can see Dhirubhai Ambani and Baba Ramdev. Apart from that, the Lijjat Papar, founding member, Jaswanti band. So kind of things. So this gives me a lot of inspiration, motivation to build my technology more and more robust. Apart from that, if you want to build your application IoT or on top of our data technology, you can message me, or you can go to our data technology platform, which we brand as Master Data Node, which we brand as Master Data Node ecosystem. And apart from that, if you want to work with us, although currently we are not able to pay you correctly, but if you want to work for the stocks, I'm open for that. You can write me an email, or if you are a self-motivated person, want to do lots of stuff, and because we want to connect our data technology with IoT and different applications by different developers and technology enthusiasts or the startups which you want to, you are welcome. So if you want, you can write me, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.